Hey tech lovers, welcome back to Cool Product. In today's video, we're exploring the best smart laser tape measure you can find today. I'll be taking an in-depth look at the Radlum Smart Laser Tape Measure. Let's get started. Product feature. This innovative 3-in-1 tool combines a high-precision laser rangefinder with a traditional steel tape, giving you the ultimate flexibility for any measurement task you face. The integrated laser rangefinder delivers incredibly accurate distance readings with remarkable ease, ensuring your work always meets professional standards. Perfect for big projects, the laser technology allows you to measure long distances quickly and reliably without needing a second pair of hands or bulky tools. For those manual tasks, the sturdy steel tape measure offers tactile reliability and is built to withstand the rigors of regular use on any job site. A smart digital interface provides crystal clear readings on a bright display, making it easy to see your numbers and minimizing common measurement errors. The user-friendly controls allow you to switch seamlessly between laser and tape modes, letting you adapt to your environment with minimal effort. Designed to be compact and portable, this tool fits perfectly in your hand or pocket, making it an ideal companion for construction sites or home workshops. Pros: you'll love how this tool makes every project feel smoother and more manageable. It really takes the guesswork out of measuring, giving you total confidence that every cut and placement is perfect. The dual functionality means you're never caught without the right tool, whether you're working alone or with a partner. It's like having a helpful, high-tech assistant right in your pocket. Cons: while the digital screen is incredibly helpful, you might find it a bit harder to read if you're working under direct, blinding sunlight outdoors. Also, because it's a smart device, you'll want to keep an eye on battery levels to ensure the laser rangefinder is always ready to go when you need it most. Final thoughts. Imagine finishing your next home project with zero stress and total precision. This tool isn't just about numbers. It's about the peace of mind that comes from knowing you've done the job right the first time. It empowers you to tackle bigger dreams and more complex designs with ease. Giving yourself the gift of accuracy means more time enjoying your home and less time fixing mistakes. Ready to measure like a pro? Check the price link in the description. Subscribe to Cool Product and like this video to stay updated on the latest tech. Thanks for watching.